We are in Georgia, in Tbilisi. It's a General Assembly of International Sommelier Association, Association de la Sommelier Internationale. Now we are in the Saperavi Big Tasting. Saperavi is our most important variety of grapes. It's a wine very archaic and really wines from our ancestors. You know?
We went to Twin Cellar. They just opened the Qvevri, and the wine was crystal clear, beautiful amber color, and it was just such an amazing experience to just have that happen, to watch them open it, to taste the wine just right out of the Qvevri. It was unbelievable.
And then they also conduct a master class for us to make many different things, particularly the candy. But that things are beautiful.
The lunch was fabulous. The singers, the music here is just wonderful to listen to. It gives you goosebumps.
And I'm really very happy that so many people, my colleagues, friends, come to my country, and I had possibility to explain something about our very ancient little wine nation.
Great hospitality, good night's sleep, good conversation, and dinner last night, singing, and everyone was participating.
Welcome to Georgia, and I hope that it's not the last time when my colleague visit here. And thank you for coming, everybody. Great thanks. Thank you very much.
Now, Marjos. Cheers.